Have you ever left your muddy boots outside and when you went back to get them you found a snake inside? Well, now instead of searching Google through hundreds of photos of snake types, you could soon download an app called Critterpedia to sort the results for you. This app can save lives. It holds information about snakes and spiders and gives information about what to do if you find one and how to take care of a bite. I have researched the app and some of the most venomous snakes and spiders in Texas, and I am interested in this topic because I actually live on a farm and I run into them often during the spring and summer, and I actually have black widows living in my feed shed right now. Today we'll be discussing how and why the app was founded, some of the most common spiders and snakes that you could run into in Texas, and how the information is gathered and stored for the app. Let's start with how and why the app was founded. In an article by the Smithsonian Magazine about starting of the app, Nick and Murray Scarce lived in Australia. Nick's mother was visiting and was always asking questions about the animals that she saw. However, it was hard to find information on the internet about what she was asking about. In 2018, they had support from Ciro and other various experts that helped with creation. In another article, 7 News states that during an interview with Nick, she said the idea actually came about in 2004, however, the technology was lacking back then. Today, they have Data 61 with Ciro as a vital contributor on the back-end functionality. Next, we'll move into some of the most venomous spiders in Texas. 2 of the most venomous spiders in Texas, according to an article by Texas Hill Country, is the black widow spider and the brown recluse. This is an example of a black widow spider found on Google Images. The black widow spider has a shiny black body and red underside. It is not only found in Texas, but it is one of the most venomous spiders in North America. It has a neurotoxin venom that alters function in the nervous system. The brown recluse is a brown spider that has a violin shape on its back and may cause tissue necrosis, meaning a premature death of cells, and may be a loss of body parts. Next, we'll talk about how the information is gathered and sorted. In the article from the Smithsonian Magazine, they also mention that the creators are partnered with over 32 experts that have compiled over 200,000 images, and because of the AI system, the more images that people put into the system, it will keep evolving and learning more about the different species and giving out better information. Ciro is one of the main contributors and wrote that the algorithmic solution to sort photos is used to find the best match. End quote. The visual differences between 2 species can be very subtle, and so a great deal of training data is needed. Ciro created the system to auto-label images. It verifies the information and even cross-references other sources for correctness. We have covered a lot of information about the developing app, most common snakes or spiders you may run into, and how the information for the app is sorted and stored. I hope you never have to deal with a life-threatening situation, but soon we will have an app to quickly relieve the situation and the snakes in our boots.